Hello everyone, this is Case from Wuxi KLT company. Here is the polishing machine workshop of our factory, and then I will take you have a look about our factory right now. Come with me. This is our external polishing machine. The engineer is adjusted the machine for our customer right now. And you can also check this. This is the internal polishing machine. The customer is adjusted the sample right now. This is our technical engineer. The polishing machine we designed are mainly used in the cookware manufacturing industry for surface finishing, removing burrs after stamping and exchanging, and improving the non-stick coatings. Secondly, they can use for the weld processing, polishing the bottom breathing joints and ensuring the smooth transition between the bottom and the pot body. The maximum compatible size of a polishable pot is 400 mm plus heat 250 mm, such as stainless steel pots, frying pans, milk pots, and so on. The polishing angle can be adjusted from 0 to 45 degrees, and the production capacity can reach 1 per 15 seconds. This is our trimming and cutting machine workshop of our factory, and then I will take you to check our machine again. This is a 4-station integrated machine for trimming, cutting, roaming, pressing machine that we are producing right now. Suitable for age processing of soup pots and milk pots. Through these parameters, it supports fast switching of multiple types of the pots. With servo motor control, the processing accuracy can be controlled with plus or minus 0.1 mm, reducing the material waste. This is our cleaning processing workshop of our factory, and then I will take you to check the line right now. This is the automatic and ultrasonic cleaning and drying line that will be shipped soon. An automated equipment designed for batch processing of oil, residues, oxide layers on the surface of aluminum and stainless steel products, such as pots, kettles, knives, forks, and so on. This line is equipped with the oil and wax removal area, rinsing area, fine water cutting area, and drying area. With the cleaning pass rate can be 99% and the processing speed can be 300 to 800 pieces 1 hour.